Yo, what's up guys? Tall Pines ATV back at it again with another video. So unfortunately I lost a lot of audio from this past weekend, but this is one clip I really wanted to show. This was one of the big water holes they had, and they actually have a bunch more, so it's amazing. This guy right here that I'm about to high five is one of the employees there, and he's a great guy. His name's David. He takes pictures, photos, everything professionally. So I have like 40 photos I got from him that were amazing. So check out Tall Pines ATV Park if you haven't before. It's in New York State. It's one of the best parks around. I also got to ride with Lisa from New York ATV Addicts. Check them out on Facebook. It's about 5,000 followers in the group. Great place to go and check out, to find places to ride and people to ride with. If you guys enjoy the content today, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share the video. Now I'm going to show you guys some clips from today. There is a couple clips I might put in there that I unfortunately lost audio, but it was just too good to not put in. So enjoy, and I'll get back with you some clips from today.
Yeah, I'm not making it through that one. There's Lisa. Get it, girl. Hit it again. Woo! That is soaked. Whoa! He almost just ate it. That thing's nuts. That thing is nuts. That's fucking deep. Where'd she go? Right there. Yeah, Lisa, get it. That was crazy. Deep in there.
Oh yeah, Lisa. Oh, that's deep. Wow, that's deep.
tree. There's her tree, same tree.
Same fucking tree. Great job, but fuck me.
Holy shit.
Hold on, let's break on.
Lisa, what the hell happened? They did it easy. That is fucking... Shouldn't have came over here.
So I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. The clips I had. Right here, Michael and Lisa tried to go across the oasis together. Everything was going good until about here. He started going towards Lisa, and he got off the gas, the front end sunk, and the snorkel on that side went underneath the water. So he kept pinning it and trying to get out, and slowly but surely, he was working his way out. But as he continues going up that way, he gets out right here. He's a great guy. I met him for the first time this past weekend. He'd actually just got here. This is his first ride. And then he gets out and he turns around. He's going back through again, and he's leaning, and then all of a sudden, yay, here we go, we're going over. And he puts the other snorkel under the water, and luckily he jumped off and saved it. And as he's making his way up the side right here, he's giving her all hell, and right here it stalls. Unfortunately, he ended up flooding his airbox and everything, so he was done for. But right here, Lisa, our fierce leader, decided to go for a swim. And she was covered in mud after this. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.